Hey everyone, this is what I got from Zara sales, and it's a winter clothes, and I ran out of winter clothes, so I decided to get this cardigan. Love the color. Used to be for 69 Hong Kong dollars, around 45 pounds, and now is 359 Hong Kong, and roughly around 32 pounds. And I like the color. It's perfect for winter, and it has a pocket at the front, perfect to pair it with, my booty, or leggings, just like what I'm wearing, and it's really comfortable. And yeah, I love it. So here's another one as well. This as well is cardigan, and brown color. Has 2 pockets in the front as well, and it's so comfortable. And it used to be, wow, this is quite pricey. It was 799 Hong Kong dollars, around 79 pounds, and now is 499, around 49 pounds. And it's really comfortable. I think actually the material is really nice and soft. This one is a bit rough, and more like how this bit and pieces there, that be sure you wear something that won't stick, a bit shiny type of leggings. I will pair it with that. And also I'll share with you the new footwear that I got, not from Zara, because I don't like the Zara one. There are lots of bling and drama in it. I just want something like simple, just like this, easy to wear. Just zip it up, and I don't need to tie it. And you can pair it with leggings, with dress, it kind of trend at the moment. And it's really comfy as well. Pure leather. It called you the brand is different. I don't know if they got it in if you guys got it in UK, and that's the brand here. And it was on sale. It was like it was 2000 Hong Kong, around like maybe 200 pounds, and they dropped the price, and it was around 150 pounds or 1,500 Hong Kong dollars. I love it, and it's so comfy. Anyway, I'll see you in my next one.